Hi, I'm Brian Duncan from MarineMax, Lindenhurst, New York. We're out today on a 2018 310 Outboard. It's got a pair of 350 Verados, white motors. Makes a real nice package. It's got the teak decks. It's the middle of the winter here in New York, so we have no water or power right now. But we'll do the best we can to get through it. You have a nice rear lounger in the back here. You have a little fold up. So if you want to sit down and put your skis on, or just sit and with a backrest, or you can sit or lay down. You got a stereo tuner in the corner here, so you can play with the volume and music. Control it from the aft deck or inside the boat. Coming in, you have teak walkway coming through. There is storage located under here, a little good place for your dock lines. You do have a nice circular cockpit in the boat with plenty of seating. The cockpit table will set up in the center here. It has the infinity woven carpet. This boat does have the fiberglass hardtop option, which with the retractable sunshade and the electric sunshade in the back. This is the sun top and the sunshade. Here you have a little storage area, a little grill, fridge, nice working surface, little hand sink, seating that faces the others. Everybody can sit and have a conversation. Big subwoofer. You got the premium sound system in this boat. Nice stainless steel windshield, gives the boat a real rich look. Good place for your cell phones. Vacuum flush head system. Teak down in the head. The seats fold down, they go high or low. But if you want wind in your face or you want to sit down below the windshield, same thing on the helm area. Joystick controls. Fly-by-wire digital Mercury controls. 2 screens. You have your wind door here. You want to block the wind from coming through the cockpit, and you can fold the windshield over. Plenty of storage. I'm sorry. The voltage panel is here. A nice big bow area. Plenty of seating up in the bow. You could sit 5-6 people very comfortably. Even the center seat here is very comfortable. Another table sets up in the bow. Nice vinyl wrapped rails, gives it a real rich look. Your armrest will fold up or down. 2 tables you can set up in the bow area. It does have a electric anchor. And this anchor underneath. Another sprayer up in the front. It does have your manual crank and a remote. Well, that about wraps it up.